Welcome back to Primetime News. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we feature a fitness coach who is offering free mixed martial arts classes in Portmore St. Catherine with the aim of getting people to know how to better defend themselves in vulnerable situations. Here is Kian Morgan.
Mental well-being through mixed martial arts. It's what fitness coach Odean Taylor believes today's youth are in need of. Mr. Taylor is owner of the Fun Aerobics Fitness Gym in Portmore St. Catherine and organizer of the Fit Like a Fighter charity program. For the past 4 years, he has been mentoring people in and around the city.
Anybody who is in need or who thinks that the program could benefit them in any way possible, we will receive them.
Participants as young as 2 to as old as 40 years old learn techniques like kickboxing, karate, and wrestling for free.
Our main objective is to have them learn it so that they can use that impact from the program to implement it into their personal life.
Roberto Williams has been a beneficiary of the program for over 2 years. For him, the benefits are holistic.
It doesn't just only make you a better fighter, but it gives you more discipline and it gives you more, more consistency in your life and the sport.
What brought me to boxing is the component of it controlling your anger. Boxing keeps you balanced mentally, emotionally, and physically.
We try to include a little bit of motivation talks to persons, especially when we're taking them through a task and they're saying that, boy, that is too hard, they can't do it. The amount of reps that they will have to go through to get it done helps them to understand that there are sometimes processes that we will have to go through that we don't like, but in the end, it will give us the benefits that we would want to accomplish.
And according to Mr. Taylor, the program has gotten a lot of support, especially from parents.
First time I introduced it to a couple of parents, there was a lot of negatives. I can tell you that there was a lot of negatives, but from explaining what the program, the aim of the program is, and some of the rules that we have laid out for pupils to follow, parents who took the chance to start with us realize the difference in their kids' life.
Mr. Taylor says the program is open 3 days a week. With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.